Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into Microsoft Teams with your Microsoft account, then create a class team or join via the class code you received. Once done, add co-teachers and students so permissions propagate correctly. Make sure to install the Teams app on your primary device and test camera and microphone in settings before the first session. This avoids delays. If possible, use a wired connection for stability. Now schedule your first class meeting and add it to the class calendar. After creating the team, organize channels by topic or week so students find material quickly. You'll pin files, assignments, and external tabs like quiz or syllabus. This reduces confusion. When teaching, use assignments to collect work and OneNote class notebook for shared notes. Students work in line, and you can give feedback. Make use of breakout rooms for small groups, start the whiteboard for collaborative solving, and record the session for absent students. Manage recording permissions in meeting options. To finish the session, start the meeting on time, admit participants from the lobby, and mute all when delivering instructions so audio stays clear. Once done, stop recording, end the meeting for everyone, and post the recording, assignment links, and grade feedback to the class channel. If students experience audio or video problems, first make sure Teams has camera and mic permissions, test devices in settings, update drivers, and restart Teams. That simple sequence fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.